Creative nerds. In this short Illustrator tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how you can create a inflatable text effect in Illustrator in a matter of seconds. It's a great technique and one that you can use throughout your design projects. So firstly, we want to start off by writing out some text in the middle of our canvas. Once that's written out, we're going to change the text color to be like a light pink. Any light pastel color works really well with this effect. And just always ensure also that you're using quite a thick, chunky font, similar to one that we're using here. We're then going to head over to Window, 3D and Materials. That will bring up this dialog box, and we're going to select Object, and then the 3D type option we want to choose is Inflate. We're then going to drag up the depth. It's a little bit more, so anywhere under 500, quite a good depth to go with. So we'll stick with that, 346, perfect. And then we're just going to ensure that we select the checkbox inflate both sides. Perfect. And then we're just going to scroll down, keep all of the other settings the same, so everything else is 0. And then we're going to select lighting, and there's different presets that we can go with. So top left, top right. Ones I'd probably recommend is either top left or go with the standard lighting. Standard lighting is quite good, to be fair. And then all we're going to do is just increase the softness. I'm just going to pull that up to about 70%. And there you go. We created a quick inflated 3D text effect. It's a nice effect that you can use as a style throughout your design projects. So you can even change the text and put something else, and it will still keep the same sort of style. Hope this is a useful Illustrator quick tip and one that you can incorporate into your design projects in the future. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Illustrator.